everyone. We are here to learn about the good and bad qualities of Taiwanese. The good qualities of Taiwan. They are hardworking, progressive, they have responsible leaders, well-disciplined people. They show nationalism or love for their country. They are amiable and workaholic. Their bad qualities are strict, lack of knowledge, not ready to face the war, lack of intelligence, dependent, and lack of leaders. This is reporting life. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. We will now report about China. The good qualities of Chinese people are they are business-minded, full of knowledge about technology, good leaders, hardworking, brave, religious, and wise. While their bad qualities are they are not uniting, easy to get, they are not prepared for the upcoming wars, strict, they are dependent, they are
Police.
and lack of knowledge about war.
Picture.
Good morning, everyone. We will report about Korean people. The good qualities of Korean people are love for country, God-seeking, people are uniting for the sake of their country, their leaders are responsible, they are all hardworking, brave, and most of all, wise. But they have also bad qualities, and these are lack of knowledge about the war, dependent, lack of armament, not ready to face the war freak, selfish, and lack of unity. And that's all about Korean. kamuman, upot ang abon ni namo. Ano? Hindi na, kung pala yan. Korea, model, Reynaldo Domingo. Designer, Rachel Rhea Fuentes. Stay. Korea, Taiwan, Moises. Designer, Noel Manikang. China, Darley Morcillos. Designer. Ana, thank you so much. Oye, pagi, mo sa tama mo, tayo na. Jangan dia ada tulis ceng, ada tulis ceng itu dia. Tayo na. Gibit lang ako araw. Araw itu. Amo gunting na to. Dalangin ang gunting ang dulo. Ariyo, ay nasako. Ada. Ariyo. Sir na sa. Oye pa, boy na, kikinati karon. Ipakita, tagay ko pan, magaboy basura, hulat no? Amoni, magaboy basura. Wow! Yan, galing! Very good! Muna basura na mo.